Good morning, Lise. Well, good afternoon here. What I'm looking at, I'm showing you right now, is one of the Boeing plants here. And this is in Renton, Washington. And this is where they put together the 737. This is where they assemble it. It looks like they're having shift change. See people coming and going. You could, I can't zoom in. I don't know. This is a GoPro. I guess I might be able to. Inside the door that's open, you can see one of the planes that they're assembling. The factory goes right over there, and it's deep. And the city here has a runway which they tax to fly out, fly in when they test fly each plane, and they make 17 a month here, which is pretty incredible. 17 planes a month, and they're backlogged. They've got so many orders that they're backlogged. But here's the plant for all those who never been here before. There's a plane in the very back. Probably can't see it because this is on wide angle lens. There's a plane in the back sitting in Lake Washington behind there. And the plant where they do the big wide bodies, the 777s and the 47s, is way up north. It's a lot bigger building, like 5 times the size this is right here. But here you are at the Boeing plant for the 737.